Hi, I am CJ Singh, the Senior President at Wave City Centre. Today I am excited to unfold a reward for all our investors of high street shop condominiums, that is the shop cum offices or simply the SCOs at Wave City Centre. As you are aware, with the new government in place, there is a lot of optimism all around. The Indian economy is abuzz with action in all the sectors, and the Sensex is already hitting the roof. We at Wave City Centre are inundated with new demand coming up from domestic as well as the international brands to set up their shops in this incredible complex, which is best located in the heart of Noida, next to Noida City Centre Metro Station. Today, I want to share this optimism with you by revitalizing your investment in these SCOs. I have therefore decided to offer you a 3 years guaranteed lease rental, thus assuring you of a handsome returns on your investment without any additional charges. You can now relax and watch your investments grow over the years. You would agree that the SCOs at Wave City Centre are unique. These are 380 independent showrooms, which makes it one of India's largest high street retail hub, with footfalls guaranteed by virtue of its superior location and connectivity, more than 50,000 car parkings in the complex, and other facilities comparable to any large mall, but at a much lower common area maintenance charges. As we speak, construction is in full swing and the project is racing towards completion. Hence, I would like to invite all my investors to discuss this offer in detail, for which me and my entire team are personally available. Please call us now to schedule an appointment as per your convenience. Looking forward to meeting all of my investors.